How to fix Twitch won't broadcast on Xbox One. 1. Remove and reinstall the Twitch app on your console. 2. Check for Google Xbox One setup for Twitch broadcast. 3. Reset the stream key. 4. Clear your MAC address. 5. OHATE tips include, check and troubleshoot your internet connection, if needed, using a wired connection, performing a power cycle on your machine. Check whether your Xbox Live account has run into a low reputation. Check whether your Twitch account has been banned from broadcasting. And ensure you're using an account with adult privacy settings.